Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to create channels in Teams. Here I am with my Microsoft Teams app under the team test team which we have created in couple of lectures ago. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new channel and I'm going to explain what is the channel refers for. So here if you see the test team, the three dots, you click on that and you can create a new channel by adding a channel. For example, I want to create an educational perspective as week 1 is the channel name. So you can create this channel for all the users, or you can create the channel for only specific group of people within the team. But I'm going to create it for all the users, and I'm also going to click on this automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list so that it will be visible to all the team members immediately. So you can just click on and add it. So that will add a new channel. Now see, it is adding week 1 channel under the general, which means general is also a channel. What is it actually going to do is it's going to group your works in a particular place. For example, here the channel which I have created called the week 01 was going to have all the materials and all the lecture related things and even all the lectures and recordings related to the lectures. Everything is going to be inside this channel. I can go ahead and create multiple channels with different aims and then go ahead and work on that and then keep the materials in a single place. That is the ultimate goal of having a channel. So for a quick recap, so channel is going to host all the works related to a particular topic. For example, here week 1 will have all the work related to the week 1. So I can create many more channels and I can also have multiple groups also as well. For example, here week 2, so I can always have the same thing and I can create the channel here. So keep on, you can go ahead and create the channels here. I can also have a channel for a group. For example, say for example, group 1. So that will have a specific people inside that channel. For example, here I'm going to create this as private, only accessible to specific group of people, and I can go ahead and click on next, and then that should prompt me to add some of the students from your team to put up inside this channel. For example, here I have two students called David DGL 2013 and David RM Free, and I'm going to click on one of them and then click add to add this particular student into this channel. Now I'm going to wait for that and I'm going to clicking on done. So once I this done, then you can see a padlock inside that group 1, which means only me and the student who has been added to that channel has access to this channel. Example here, if you go ahead and see this manage channel, and then you can see this member and guest is only one, whereas if you go ahead and see this team and then manage team, and in that members and guests there are 2 students. Is that okay? So that's what this channel and the private channel means. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you in the next lecture with more options on channels and creating lectures, etc. Thanks a lot.